If you're seeing a Gmail invalid credentials error, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens when your email address is entered incorrectly, your keyboard settings are causing problems, or your saved password in an email app needs to be re-entered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get signed in again and how to make your Gmail account more secure. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, check your Gmail address very carefully. Make sure you are typing the full email address correctly, including the @gmail.com part, and look out for any typos, missing letters, or extra spaces before or after the address. Even one small mistake can trigger the invalid credentials message, so take a second to verify it slowly. If you copied and pasted the email, try typing it manually instead, because hidden spaces can sometimes cause login errors. Next, check your caps lock and keyboard layout. Gmail passwords are case sensitive, which means uppercase and lowercase letters must match exactly. If caps lock is on, turn it off and enter your password again. Also make sure you're using the correct keyboard language or layout, especially if your password includes symbols like @signs, slashes, or special characters. Sometimes the keys on your keyboard do not match what appears on the screen, and that can make the password look right even when it is being entered wrong. Once you've confirmed the email address and the keyboard settings, try signing in again. If you're still getting the error inside an email app like Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, or another mail client, the next step is to re-enter the saved password. Open the email app, go to your Gmail account settings, and remove the saved Gmail password from the account. Then type the password again manually instead of relying on autofill or a stored password. This is important because password managers and saved credentials can sometimes keep an old password or incorrect entry, especially if you recently changed your Google password. After resaving it, try connecting again and see if the error clears. If the issue still continues, it's a good idea to turn on two-step verification for your Google account. Open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. Once the page loads, look for the section called How You Sign Into Google. Under that section, click Two-Step Verification and follow the setup steps. Google will guide you through confirming your identity and adding an extra layer of protection to your account. This can also help with sign-in problems in some email apps because certain apps work better when your account has stronger security enabled. Once setup is complete, go back to your email app or Gmail login page and try signing in again. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the invalid credentials error right away. The most common fixes are simply correcting the email address, turning off caps lock, re-entering the password manually, and enabling two-step verification when needed. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.